All right, for those of you in the Chicagoland area, I'm headed your way. So I will be in Chicago, actually near downtown, from October 22nd to the 24th. I'm celebrating my 25th reunion from college, y'all. So I went to a Bible school just a few blocks from there. If you know, you know. I will be in the River North Hotel in that area. So if that's you, if you're in the Midwest and you want to meet with me for an hour or two, this is the best time to come and take advantage of these shorter things. Otherwise, I don't often travel for things that are short. If people invite me out to their place, it's usually for a couple days and it's more intensive situations, but this is your chance to get, an hour or two until my schedule fills. I will be doing alumni activities just a few blocks away. And by the way, if you look it up and you go, really? You went there? I no longer consider myself an evangelical Christian, in that way. So, yeah, don't judge. But I think it's fantastic to celebrate people and experiences. And I did have a fantastic college experience for who I was at the time and where I was at, in the city. So I'm really excited to get back there and see old friends and reconnect. But again, I will have some time. So if that's you, if you're like, oh my gosh, this is my chance, this is your chance. There may be a little bit of a surcharge for some of my travel fees. Nothing like if you invited me, to come to you full price. So this is a huge benefit to you. Again, I'm available especially for cuddling, maybe even an overnight. Lots of things are possible. So reach out, let me know what your thoughts are, and let's make it work. Again, that's October 22nd to 24th. That's a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I check in on Wednesday and head out on Friday. There is a possibility of maybe some extending, maybe, I'm not quite sure. So there's a little bit, but again, make me an offer. Ask for what you want. That's what I'm about, and we'll see if we can make it work. All right, October. I'm super excited to go to this reunion because I'm not that woman anymore. And so it'll be quite wild to, go back and I don't know, see some of that stuff. All right. Talk to you soon.